Competitive bidding hand evaluation. Okay, so since we're discussing a competitive bidding auction, our whole class today will be about doubles, meaning our opponents have already made a bid at some point in the auction, right? So that's the only way we can have a double in our class is because the opponents have made a bid of some sort. So when we are talking about takeout doubles, the idea is no matter what seat we're in, whatever type of takeout double we're making, the plan is for partner to be the declarer and for us to be the dummy. So we want to evaluate our hand based on the 3-2-1 support point scale. Okay, so that means voids get 3 points, singletons get 2 points, and doubletons get 1 point. There is the 5-3-1 scale, and that's when you know you have 9 trump or more. So after the auction continues, perhaps you find out that you have more than just 8 trump, and you would then switch from the 3-2-1 support point scale to the 5-3-1 support point scale. But today we're assuming that we're looking for a 4-4 fit with these takeout doubles, and that's 8 trump combined. And so we're going to stick with the 3-2-1 support point scale. The second hand evaluation tip that we need to review is when both sides are in the auction and you are evaluating your hand, look to your opponent's suit, the suit they've bid, maybe suits they've bid, and subtract out any queens or jacks in the opponent's suit. The one exception to that is if you are considering bidding no trump. Okay, your choice of bids instead of being a suit contract is a no trump contract, then the queens and the jacks are going to keep full value. For the most part, we're going to be landing in suit contracts today. So in our evaluation of our hands, we're going to be subtracting out queens and jacks in our opponent's bid suit. The idea behind that is that they aren't worth 2 points and 1 point, right? They're third round winners, they're fourth round winners. And in suit contracts, by the time we get to the third and fourth round of the suit, somebody is trumping in the hand. Okay, so we just take out those queens and jacks. Aces keep full value, kings keep full value, but queens and jacks go away in the opponent's bid suit.